Okay, so I'm about to do this laundry. I got laundry baskets in my room that I have to do. But I'm going to do the one back here since I'm already back here. I'm going to fold these while I'm back here. Since I'm already back here, guys. I was so grateful that like all of you guys came on my live stream day and showed so much love. I've been cleaning like crazy, y'all, today. And while I was on the live stream, the kids like tore up my living room while I was on the live stream. Like those kids, like those babies, they stay busy. Like they are some little busybodies, y'all. And they keep me going. But I had to get off the live stream so that I can clean up my living room because I didn't want to keep my living room looking like that. I know kids gonna be kids. Go. Get it. I'll open it. Let me open it. I know kids are gonna be kids, but y'all, I just can't let them tear up my house like that. Here you go, baby. I'm cooking dinner right now. I'm making some baked chicken. I'm making yams, and rice, and I'm gonna make another vegetable too. I was gonna make some cornbread, but they got it to my eggs and they got it to my milk, my little ones. So, no cornbread tonight, but it's okay. We don't have to have cornbread with every darn meal. So, but I do make cornbread a lot, and we can skip it some nights, you know. You don't have to be like every night. I love this shirt, y'all. I got this shirt from the thrift store. Really nice shirt. I love this shirt. I got this from the thrift store like a while back, like last year sometime, and I really love this shirt. I hang this up. It's like a long shirt that I can wear tights under or something, and I wear a shirt under it, like a little cami under it, and I love this shirt. I love this shirt too. It's really cute. Yeah, but hold up, guys. Right there. Yeah, but I love like folding clothes. There's something about folding clothes that like just really calms me. Like it really calms me down. There's something about folding clothes. I'm loving homeschooling my kids. They're going to be testing my oldest son to see what kind of, so they can keep him in the program that he's already in. But if they try some slick stuff, he will be out this school. He will be in homeschool permanently, which was a choice that I really wanted to make for my kids anyways, because I feel like there's other homeschools that have better curriculum than the schools than public schools. So I'd rather them be in homeschool, and I feel like they can learn a lot more in homeschool. I feel like they've been doing a lot better since they've been homeschooled, to be honest. And I like to keep them on the right track. If I got them on the right track while homeschooling, why not keep them homeschooled, y'all? I just don't see why not. I just love doing YouTube, guys. Like, I love like talking to y'all in live streams because you guys are some really good people. Like, you are really awesome people, and I really enjoy each and every one of y'all. I appreciate y'all just coming through all the time for you, girl. Do anybody still wear slips? My mom taught me to wear slips like under my dresses and stuff. I don't see a lot of. I'm looking for slips for my daughter because I don't see. I want to bring like back old school stuff. I want my child to be raised a little bit like I was raised, you know. Like, my mom used to have us wear slips under our dresses and stuff. Like, especially during the winter time. But I got to go and get my daughter a lot of tights soon. I want to get a Christmas tree soon, but the place that they do the Christmas trees at, they are having pumpkin patch. It's pumpkin patch season. So yeah, they're gonna be doing pumpkin patch. They're doing pumpkin patches right now, and the Christmas trees are not out yet. And it's really beautiful out there, y'all. And I seen it last year when I passed by the place. Last year I seen it, and I really loved it. I got these right here from the thrift store right here. They're Adidas, like kind of like you know, spandex joggers. I also got these too. And y'all, when I tell you they had like this dot sale, and I was able to get this stuff for cheap. That stuff was dirt cheap. It was like $3.99 a pair. Now you can't beat that. When you can go into the thrift store and get like $3.99 a pair for some pants, that's a blessing. You know? Yeah, I was raised on these slips. I was raised on them. And I'm going to do the same with my daughter. I'm going to do the same. My daughter's going to be 10 next year, and I'm kind of nervous about that because, you know, and they're entering preteens, things are a lot different, you know, and my son is going to be 11. So I have 2 birthdays in January and 2 birthdays in August. Didn't plan like that at all. It was God's plan, not my plan, y'all. All my kids were born that way. But, hey, it's a blessing, though. Yeah, I'm back here. I'm just trying to get my house as clean as possible. Like, I want to be able to, like, when you walk around, it's just, like, clean everywhere. You know, I like my house to be immaculate and spotless. So, I have to, like, continue to work on it if I want it to be the way I want it to be. Like, you can't expect your house to be clean if you don't constantly clean. Like, I'm constantly cleaning. And people like, girl, take breaks. I do take breaks, but that can't be long breaks. Because if I take like a long period of time, like if I take a long period of time to take breaks, then my house will be in shambles. So, it's not a really big house. It's like 800, like 900 and something plus square feet, and it's not a really big house, but it's a big house when it's just one person like constantly cleaning all these rooms. It feels like a big house, but I'm not complaining though because my kids got a yard to play in. They got a roof over their head. Like, they have clothes on their back for this season. Like, you know how hard it is for a parent when they don't have the means to have what their kid needs for the season. You know, it's hard. And I just thank God that I was able to get some stuff. Me and their dad were able to get things early while school shopping. And I'm grateful for that, man. It'd be like the small things I'd be grateful for because God didn't even have to bless us with that, you know. I love this shirt too, y'all. Long sleeve shirt, white, dressy, you know, that I can wear out. I really like this shirt. I bought this a couple of years ago too. I bought this like 3 or 4 years ago and it's still good, you know. I try to take care of my clothes, y'all. I try not to tear up my clothes. I try to take my best to take care of my clothes, guys. I got another basket to do in the room, but that's going to be probably another video. Yeah, that's going to probably be a whole nother video, guys. Whew. Yes. I'm only trying to make my videos super long, but long enough, you know. You don't want to make it like so long and drawn out that you can't even, you know, people just, but you know, everybody audience is different. Some audiences like long drawn out videos and some audience like short videos. It doesn't, like, when it comes to your time though, that's why a lot of people make really long videos because they want, you know, that time, their watch time, which is understandable. But me personally, I like long videos. I love long videos because it's like when you're cleaning and stuff and you got a long video to watch, like, it's like watching TV. Like, YouTube to me is like watching TV. It really is. love watching like my little favorite little TV shows. Like I got my favorite YouTubers on here. Like I watched a couple of YouTubers on here that I really love. Hold up, guys. I'm back, guys. Mom life. This cycle is almost done. It's almost on spin. Like my washing machine go crazy when it go on spin, y'all. Anybody else got that problem? Like your washing machine just go wild when it go spin? Like that thing be really spinning for real. Like that's the spin. Like y'all, it's a trip. I love something about the Wrangler brand of clothing. I love like their pants, their shorts. I really love them. They like nice and comfy. They not like you know how you put on jeans and it's like aggravating, not because you are a certain size, but just because they like don't feel right. They feel funny. I don't know. It might be a woman thing. I don't know. But sometimes it can be like that. Like the jeans cannot fit good and stuff, and then it's all bunched. It just feel funny. I like wearing stretchable jeans. I like wearing stretchable clothes so you can feel a lot more comfortable. Like I've been cutting back on I've been trying to cut back on how much I eat. So I don't eat much. Like during the day, I don't eat as much as I used to. I used to eat a lot during the day, but I don't do that anymore. I cut back. I got this stuff on my arm because I've been back there cleaning their room because they, the people who this house is under, they came and they cleaned some things. I mean, they fixed some things, and I've been going behind them. Like the stuff that they didn't fix, I've been going behind them, like trying to fix it on my own. Like little small minor things, trying to fix it on my own. You know, yeah, y'all gonna see a lot of videos coming out because I've been working hard to pump these videos out, y'all, so y'all can have plenty of content, guys. I'm loving it. I love doing this Vlogtober thing. I look forward to doing what's this called, Vlogmas, but hopefully everything works out so I can just do Vlogmas and I don't have no problems and nothing goes on during Vlogmas. Because last year something happened during Vlogmas and it was very hard for me to like continue to do it, but I still did it. But it was hard, y'all. It was so hard. Like when obstacles come, that's something that's kind of like hard for me. Like when I face like obstacles, it's kind of like hard for me to like persevere. I don't know if anybody else have that problem. Like if I have something that goes on with me, like personally, sometimes it's kind of like hard for me to persevere with things. Like it's kind of like hard for me to continue to go through with things when something personal happens. We even wash stuffed animals around here, guys. Oh goodness, we do though, for real, because it's important. I think you should like wash your kids' toys down and stuff. You should wash your kids' toys down, like, and bleach them and Lysol them every once in a while, and to make sure, you know, that they're clean. And that, because you know, some kids, they put toys in their mouth, you know. So you want to at least make sure you wash it down, guys. I'm almost done with this basket, guys. I'm so happy. Like, this is why I like getting on here talking to y'all, because I get done with my work faster when I talk to y'all. Like, I feel like it's a breeze when I get on here and talk to y'all and do these videos and do these live streams. Y'all help me get through my day. Y'all say I help get y'all through my day, but y'all help me get through my day too. By me being able to come on here and talk to y'all, it helps me get my work done. It really does. It helps me a whole lot. It's a blessing. It's such a blessing to have each and every one of y'all. Y'all just don't know how much y'all mean to me. I feel like I got me like another family, like a second family. And I just really do. I feel like my YouTube family is like my second family, and I can talk to y'all about certain things, and it's a blessing to have somebody that you can really talk to and confide in, you know, and not feel like you're being judged. And there's a lot of people on here that I feel like I can talk to and confide in and not feel judged, or they'll give me good advice. So it's just a blessing. It truly is. I got so many people that have been such a big blessing to me on here. Y'all, it's this channel that I really love. I've been watching her for a long time. She is a reactor, but she does other videos. Her name is Hanging with Cherokee. Y'all, she is hilarious. Like, her reactions are so funny. Like, I can sit there and just, I'm so happy that I missed like a couple of her videos, because I can just like binge watch them. I can just like binge watch them and just have just like a good time. Like, cause sometimes she do like shop with me videos, and she does, that lady, like, I love the way she decorates her apartment. Like, that lady apartment is decked out. Do you hear me? Her apartment is decked out, and I just love the way she decorates and stuff. Like, I really love watching her. Another reactor that I like watching is Carol's Daily Sauce. Like, she is always so positive. Like, I love the way she like carries herself. Like, she carries herself really well. Like, she really carries herself well. I really love her channel. She always like gives good advice, and I love her channel too. Yes, I enjoy like watching these ladies, especially y'all. Cherokee will have y'all laughing for real. That lady is funny, man. She is so funny. Hanging with Cherokee, she is funny. I don't know if it's Hang with Cherokee or Hanging with Cherokee. But she is funny, y'all. Just know that she is hilarious, y'all, and she just funny. I love her. She is like one of those real fly mamas and stuff that just that just tell it like it is. She remind me a lot of my mom. Like, she just tell it like it is. She don't care, you know. That's just Cherokee. She is so funny though. That time when she did that vlog when she was coming out the bushes, I almost peed in my pants. I was laughing just that hard. Like, it was just that funny, y'all. I'm almost done with this basket. Because y'all know, like I said, laundry never ends, y'all. In this house, like, it never ends. Alright, guys. So, I'm going to see y'all in another video. Because I'm going to do another clean with me video that I'm going to see you guys in. So, look forward to it. And I'll see y'all in the next video, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please comment. Please share my video out, guys, on any social media outlet that you have, guys, because it helps me a whole lot, guys. Y'all interact with me in the comments. I will comment back. Sometimes it may take longer, but guys, work with me, guys, because y'all know I'm trying to get this watch time, guys, and I'm trying my best, guys. Continue to run my playlist if you can, guys, because we are getting closer and closer by the day, guys, and it is a blessing. Even though when I get my watch time, I really want to still do my live streams, because it takes a while for you to get, you know, with them. It takes them a while. I think sometimes it does, but I'll see y'all in my next video, guys. Peace out.